Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please
आप मैं बोलूंगा आप सुनेंगे, ठीक है ना?
This man is Kirill Dmitriev. He is head of Russia's sovereign wealth fund, hailed the development as a historic Sputnik moment, comparable to the Soviet Union's 1957 launch of Sputnik V, the world's first satellite. In May 2020, the Gamaleya Research Institute announced that it had developed the vaccine without serious side effects, and by August 2020, the phase 1 and 2 of the clinical trials were completed. At this point of time, Sputnik V is the world's first registered COVID-19 vaccine with over 91% of efficacy and developed by the Gamaleya Institute and authorized by the 65 various countries. Chinese companies are going to manufacture millions of doses of Russia's Sputnik V vaccine, and countries like India will be importing. Chinese companies have made agreements over the past month to manufacture more than 260 million doses of Russia's Sputnik V vaccine, which has been approved for use in more than 65 countries, including a large number of developing nations such as Mexico, India, and Argentina. Sputnik V helped San Marino to become the first state of Europe to defeat COVID-19. Zero new COVID infections since May 4, zero death cases since April 27, 250 times drop of COVID cases in 2 months after start of Sputnik V use, and 44 times fewer COVID cases now than European Union. San Marino's now the first to lift COVID restrictions in Europe. But the interesting part that I would like to share with you that this vaccine have got the hacking allegations that it had already faced when it began within its developmental phase. The approach by the Russians is similar to the vaccine that is developed by the Oxford University's, that's the AstraZeneca vaccine.
चीटिंग करता है तू, चीटिंग करता है तू, हमेशा मेरे साथ चीटिंग करता है। बेचारा सो रहा था मैं, सपने देख रहा था मैं।
Intelligence agencies in United States, United Kingdom, and Canada say the hacking group APT29, also known as the Cozy Bear, is attacking the academic and the pharmaceutical research institutions involved in the COVID-19 vaccine development. And let me also tell you that this was the same group of hackers that implicated in the hacking of the Democratic email accounts in 2016 US presidential elections. A 16-page advisory prepared by the Western agencies and made public accused Cozy Bear of using custom malicious software to target a number of organizations globally. These malwares were called with the name of the Well-Mess and Well-Mail. Some of them are using their cyber capabilities to attempt to break into the networks of those who are conducting these research, as well as into the non-governmental organizations to satisfy their information needs. These could be related to the data of trials or the crucial information that's being used to develop a vaccine. But the sad part is that it's completely unacceptable that the Russian intelligence services are targeting those who are working to combat the coronavirus pandemic. Though, due to the obvious reasons, Russian officials have denied all these allegations and said that the leading vaccine is based on the design developed by the Russian scientists to counter the Ebola virus years ago. It's not the first controversial vaccine that Russia developed. In 2019, the WHO considered 2015 vaccine along with several others for use in Congo, but it didn't pick it for Ebola. Though even then, Putin mentioned earlier this year that Russian scientists delivered an Ebola vaccine that proved to be the most effective in the world and made a real contribution to the fighting of the Ebola fever in Africa. And the question rises, why is Russia doing so? And the answer to this, it's a matter of prestige for Russia. When the pandemic hit Russia, Putin ordered the state official to shorten the time of the clinical trials for the potential coronavirus vaccine. According to the Russia's Association of Clinical Trial Organization, the order set an unattainable bar for scientists who are, as a result, joined in on the mad race, hoping to please those who are at the power in the nation. The reason of COVID-19 vaccine has taken on such political symbolism is that the superpowers have seen the vaccine as projecting their scientific progress, actually validating their political systems as superior. Becoming the world's first country in the world to develop a vaccine is a matter of a national prestige for the Kremlin as it tries to assert the image of Russia as a global power. State television stations and other media have praised scientists working on it and presented the work as an envy to the other nations. Human studies started June 17. Among 76 volunteers had most of recruitments from the military. Now this obviously raised concerns that the servicemen may have been pressured to participate in such kind of the clinical trials. Even the world's topmost experts on this agree that there have been shortcuts taken for sure, particularly in the Russian case. But every organization must remember that it's not hard to develop a vaccine, it's hard to prove that a vaccine is safe and effective. And if countries are only interested in developing a vaccine and are not concerned about the safety and efficacy, they can take the shortcuts. That's all for now I would like to share with you all. Thanks for watching.